Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our application video for computational mechanics and materials and structures for commerce course in University of Stuttgart. In the previous video, we already did the requirement analysis for episode number 14 for this particular commerce course in University of Stuttgart, and we got to know that the application deadline is until open for 15th of February, and I told you that I will be doing video for how to apply for that particular college. And today it will be first part where we will go into official website of commerce website in the University of Stuttgart, and I will also show you the requirement analysis, whatever that has mentioned in the that website is correct. Then I will also show you how to register for that particular internal campus portal. Then in the second part I will show you how to apply step by step, then finish the application. So usually it will be finishing by 13th, so you will have 1 or 2 days to apply. Please make sure the application is open until 15th February, which is 14th midnight 12 o'clock. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to click like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with the people who are in need so that they can also look into our videos, check for our requirement analysis, understand the requirements, what are the colleges that are there in Germany, what are the courses that usually one can study based on whatever the stream of studies that they want to do, either in mechanical or in electrical. Then we will also understand the requirements, what are the documents that you need to submit, what are the requirements that you need to fulfill in order to get into that particular college. After that, we will also note down the deadline. With this deadline, we will also check the application procedure. After having all this information, we will also make application video when the application deadline is met in the application period. But yeah, this is the thing I just wanted to mention, you guys. Upon this, if you still need one-on-one session, then you can easily contact me via email, where we talk about how you can arrange or how you want my service to be. Then or you can become a YouTube member, where I will be obliged to help you or take you through the application procedure, or you can, if you want, I can only apply for you. But yeah, without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, it would be in official website University of Stuttgart, where we will talk about the commerce course itself, but in official website. So here, this is the university website. You can just scroll through, and here you can just see the study program. This will be the study program that is available entire University of Stuttgart, what are the courses that they usually have, but we are interested in master degree program and only English language courses. So here you can just see we have waste, chemical science, computational, linguistic, electrical engineering, computer science, etc. There are so many English language courses that are present, but we are interested in commerce. You can click on commerce. So this is the course, or this is the requirement analysis that we did. So start of studies is winter semester only, and period of study is 4 semester, teaching languages English. And commerce is about the development and implementation of numerical methods based on principle of mechanics, mathematics and computer science. Students usually learn different practical and powerful approach to model, understand the responses from complex materials and structures encountered almost all engineering disciplines. But what are the interest and skills should I need to have in order to apply for this particular course, and what are the admission information? So this is the same what we did in the DAR, but we just have to check what are the information that are there in the DAR is correct or not. So we got to know the application period and for winter semester 2027-2026 is starting from 15th November and ending on 15th February, and we have still 4 days, so I will show you how to apply. But if you are applying for double degree, then you can until apply for 15th March. But yeah, if you're applying directly, people who are coming directly from India for the masters here for the first time, then you have to apply for the first masters. But if you're doing second masters here, then you can apply for double program or double degree. Minimum qualification. So as I told you, you need to have a university degree with the Bachelor of Engineering or Natural Sciences related field, or a diploma degree, or any 4 diploma in the examination of additional core courses. So you need to have a bachelor degree in the corresponding course, which will be civil or mechanical, and teaching test of English proficiency should be always there. So this will be IELTS, and that IELTS language requirement will be below. But for country specific, China, Iran, Mongolia or India also, as of now, we need to have APS certificate to be having or to be submitted. Then the language requirement we already saw. You need to have IELTS minimum of 6.5 is required, or TOEFL 79 is required, which will be B2. Then country specific, which will be APS, which we already talked about. For India, we have to click on apply for APS. With this APS document, we have to also submit. For Hong Kong and China and other things, there is another requirement. For applicant from Iran, there is another requirement. From Vietnam, there is another APS. But yeah, application from Pakistan, there is another requirement. So people who are from country specific, there are so many other requirements whichever they have to fulfill in order to apply for this particular course as a language requirement or other requirements. Then deadline, we already know that the November 15th to February 15th is the application deadline. Document required for the application, what are the documents that you need to have in order to apply. So at first, high school diploma, because in order to have or in order to prove that you had done your high school diploma or university entrance examination, we need to submit either your PUC or CET, because in order to, before you did your bachelor degree, what is the corresponding university entrance examination or corresponding PUC or the corresponding high school diploma that you did in order to get into your bachelor degree. So that would be your 12th standard plus your university entrance examination, which will be CET, NEET, etc. Then with this university entrance qualification, you will be doing your university degree, which will be bachelor. So then you need to give your university certificate with alongside with transcript of record, bachelor studies, etc., where you will also have to give your CGPA calculation of your bachelor degree. Then that document explaining grading system, if it is included in transcript, then it's fine. If it is not, then you need to give the corresponding another document explaining how your grading system is there. Then curriculum vitae, letter of motivation, letter of recommendation, official score report from English proficiency, which will be your IELTS. Then country specific requirement from India, China, Iran, Mongolia, Vietnam, that will be your APS. But here there is one more thing, which is module handbook. Usually if you apply, then it is very good. So in order to prove that what are the subjects that you have studied in your bachelor is exactly matching with their bachelor degree, in order to prove that, you can also give the module handbook. Then other important dates and information is here, and guidelines manual how to apply for this particular course is here. So this is a step-by-step procedure on how to apply. So here you can just see the complete campus portal is there, and they have already explained how to apply step by step and what are the things that you need to fulfill in each section and how to fill it a successful application. But you don't need to worry, because in this video I will be showing, in the next video also I will be showing how to apply for this particular course only. Then fees and charges. So for the people who are doing for the first time, the first degree, it will be always 1500 euros plus 200 euros semester contribution. So that will be your semester fees, which will count up to 1700. Then financial aid and scholarship will be always there in all university, where you will also get any of some of the Deutschland Stipendium and also some international. Upon this, these are the application information and the course specific information in the commerce website itself. Then what are the areas of specialization that you need to fulfill, or you can choose here. Job perspective they have given, and study abroad opportunity is also there, where you can also go to another university in another country for your partner university for your internship or any of the other things. Then we also did the admission requirements, all good. Then we will directly click into the application. Once you clicked on application, we already know the deadline, and we already have all information about application, and we also have the documents. So then we click on application. Once we clicked on application, this will be your campus portal where we apply for this particular course. Then we directly go into register, continue with it without login. But if you have access already as a University of Stuttgart, no, but we are applying for the first time, register and apply. We click on register and apply, and we fill in all this information, and I will show you how to submit afterwards. Now I have basically filled everything, whatever the things that they need for. After filling all this information, you can just check for the preferred language that you need to be contacted. Then you can click on confirm data. Once you clicked on confirm data, you click on submit data. So thank you very much for information. Our email will be sent to your email address that you have mentioned here, which will be Guide for German Application, which is our email address. Then we will wait for the email to appear. Then we will also continue from there. Here you can just see the support from University of Campus portal is there, where we have filled in the first name, last name, and birthplace and email address. So unfortunately new account could not be created because we have already have an account, I guess. That's the reason it's saying we cannot see the new account should be created. So we will directly go into registration, then we click on campus or click on login, and here you can just see we have already have our application details of username and password. In the previous videos we usually used to have new, so this I have created the username and password. So we go there and we click on my application. So in the my application you can just see we have applied for infotech and electrical engineering. We showed you how to apply, and that's the reason we will click on enter new application. This will be for summer semester, no, winter semester 2026 2027, and we click on continue, and this will be for master degree program, first degree, and for commerce. And here it will be always consecutive master degree, and I have already applied for selected degree program in university within the past year. If you have already applied for 1 or 2 courses and you are applying for third course, then you can click here, or second course, click here. If you are applying for the only one course, then you uncheck, then click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, then we continue with personal data, corresponding address, higher education, etc, etc. But this I will show you how to fill in next video, where I will fill in all information and show you what are the documents you need to and how to submit the application. See you in next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.